Hi everyone and good morning. I am back with this week's giveaway fun game, and we've been playing Hangman. So do we have a winner? Well, I think it was too easy. I really do. I had some really good suggestions, but we do have a winner, and let me show you what it is. Of course, it's Charlie Asbo. So it's the Crafting Shed Davis. That is our winner. So well done, Jane. Oops, it's a bit all over the place. These prizes will be on their way to you. Now, I thought, as that was such a fun game and I made it too easy for you, I think we should do another one. What do you think? Now, I don't have your prize ready yet, which I should have done, shouldn't I? I should have the prize ready. Let me go grab it and I will. I did have it ready. Right, just bear with me 1 second. Okay, I am back. So, to start off the prize, because I'm sure we'll be adding more in for the letters that are not on the thing. These are what I'm putting in first. So, we have this lovely pack of gems, Diamante gems, and some lovely sparkly burlap tags. So that's what's going to go in first. Now, I do need to put your letters back in the bowl. Where's the bowl? The bowl's up here. Let me just put these letters back in and give them a mix up, and let me show you your new challenge. Now, I've made it harder for you. So look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 words. Right, that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4 words for this one. So I'm going to make it a bit harder. We'll see. Right, okay, so you know how it works. To start you off, I'll put my hand in, pull a letter out. If it's not on here, I add a prize. If it is on here, then you get 24 hours, one guess, and we'll see if we have a winner tomorrow. So let's see. Give this a mix up and see what letters. Got my little helper, Charlie Asbo. Of course it was Charlie Asbo. Oh, what is that? The letter K. Oh my goodness me. There is no K there. Nope, there definitely is no K. So I am going to add some of this cotton trim. Look at that. That's a really gorgeous one. So that's another thing going in there. Oh my goodness me. All of those letters, and I pull out one that's not in there. Let's pull out this one, C. A. Of course, there has to be an A, surely. Yes, there is. There is. Right, we have A. Let me put that over there. Right, let me make sure I don't mess this up. There is 1A. Yes, we have 1A. So that's not really much for you to go on, is it? So it's 4 words. First one's 3 letters, 4 letters, 5 letters. No, sorry, 3 letters, 4 letters, 4 letters, 5, 6 letters. So 1, 2, 3, 4 words. There you go. Good luck, everyone. And if you do not get it right, I'll be back tomorrow and we'll pull out more letters. Good luck, everyone. And well done, Jane. I'll pop these in the post to you. Take care for now. Bye.